Let's solve this question. It says if 2 is equal to p raised to power 3, then 8p must be equal to. Now, these are the options. So what do we do? How do we get the answer here now? Let's start by writing out this. 2 is equal to what? P raised to power 3. All right. Now, let's get a value of p, first of all, not p raised to power 3. I'm going to square root both sides. No, I'm going to cube root both sides to get rid of the cube here. So let's quickly do that. Cube root this one and cube root this. So this cube root to get rid of the cube, and p is equal to what? The cube root of 2. So 8p will be, if you write 8p here, you also have to multiply this by 8. So that will be 8 times the cube root of 2. Let's check. Do we have it in the option? No, we don't. This and this are not the same. So what are we going to do now? Now, if you check, we have that 2 is equal to what? P raised to power 3. Because if you look at the options, you will see that they are all expressed in terms of p, apart from this option D. So which means we have to change this and express it in terms of p. So I'm going to write 8 as well, 2 raised to power 3, because of this here, 2 raised to power 3. And we know that 2 is equal to what? P raised to power 3. So I'm going to replace 2 for p raised to power 3 right here. So let's quickly do that. That will be what? P raised to power 3. But we still have the power of 3. So this is times the cube root of 2. We still haven't gotten close to any of this, but we're making progress. So what is? Now look at this. P is equal to what? The cube root of 2. So I'm going to replace this cube root of 2 for p here. So that's p raised to power 3 times 3. You can multiply the exponent, 9, then times. This is p as we have it here. And this can be expressed as p raised to power 1. Apply the law of indices, add the exponent because the bases are the same. So p will be 9, will be raised to power 9 plus 1 as we have here. And this is p raised to power of 10. So this right here is the answer. That's option C. I'll see you in the next video.